Hi, welcome back to Terry's Model Rod Shop. Today I'm going to do a quick little video on removing door handles and emblems off of a car. We're going to use this old Johan 64 Cadillac. And what you need is sanding twigs, which I bought these, I think, either Amazon or Micromark, and then a Sprue snipper, and then a piece of 320 sandpaper and plastruct or any kind of liquid cement. And what you want to do, we'll just do this door handle here real quick. I like to take my, because it makes it a little bit quicker, just snip it off close as you can. Then you take your little sander here. You sand it off till it's completely gone. Still see it there. So you sand it till it's gone. Oops, still there. You want to use as light as one of these as you, because they come in different grits. You want to use as light as you can to get the job done. You take a piece of 320 grit wet dry sandpaper, sand over where you just sanded to make the sand scratches smaller, and then you take a little bit of this plastic weld, because what this does, this stuff is made to weld plastic together, and I figured out on this when I was stripping it, and I broke this in half and I glued it back together. It's filled the seam in, so I figure it melts the plastic. So what you do, brush it over where you just sanded. Don't get too crazy, but it helps melt the plastic back together. And then when it's dry, it'll look like that. And then you just, which I can't do it right now because it takes a while to dry, but then you wet sand it with some 600, and this is what you end up with. It looks just like this. I did all the emblems on this car except for this door handle and this Cadillac emblem back here. But that's all there is to it, and I'll see you next week.